Good day to everyone. This is Orekoya Olusegun, Physics Mathematics Fundamentals on YouTube. Please, before we go into today's topic, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification button to have more of my video. For partnership, this is my mobile number, and for sponsorship, this is my OPay account number 81413645573. Thank you. Today we are taking a topic in mathematics, and this topic we are taking is on fundamental idea or concepts on what is called permutation and combination of objects. This particular video is to grant us the fundamental idea on those two topics in mathematics. Now, I want to distinguish between permutation and combination. Now, permutation. Permutation is simply arrangement of objects taking order into account. What do I mean by taking order into account is this. Let's say I have objects A and B. This arrangement is one way. Then B and A, this is another way of arrangement. So I have two ways of arranging this object as it is. Now, let me say I have objects A, B, C. I want to use what is called tree diagram to show the numbers of ways of arranging this letter A, B, C. So what I'm going to do is this. I'll put each of these letters out. A, B, C. So this is the first arrangement. You can see that you have three of these branches here. So when we want to do the second one, we are going to be having two branches. So this is 2, then this is 2, then this is 2. Then after that, we are going to have just one branches. This is one branch, 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 and this is one branch. So for here that we have 3 branches, I'll write 1. Here that I have 2 branches, I'll write 2. And here that I have 1 branch, I'll write 1. So number of arrangements of letters, the letters A, B, C is simply, this is 3 branches. Is simply 3, just multiply this number of branches. 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6 ways. Now let me show this letter on this tree diagram. After we have picked A here, then I can have B and C here. After I've picked B here, I can have A and C here. After I pick C here, I can have A and B here. Now, if you trace this tree onto this place, after I pick AB, then C will be left. After I pick AC, then B will be left. After I pick BA, C will be left here. After I pick BC, A will be left here. After I pick CA, B will be left here. After I pick CB, A will be left here. So the outcome of arrangement for each of the branches is what I want to put out here. So for here now, I'm having ABC. So I have ABC. Here I'm having ACB. ACB. Here I'm having BAC. BAC. Here I'm having BCA. BCA. Here I'm having CAB. CAB. Here I'm having CBA. CBA. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 ways of arrangement. Now, another ways of showing this arrangement is this. let's say I have this box here, box 1, box this particular box based on the 3 letters that I have here. Any of the A, B, C will occupy this place in 3 places. After one has occupied, only 2 will occupy this place. After one of them has occupied this, so we have 2 ways that one of the remaining letters will occupy. I have 2 here. After out of the 2, that after one of them has occupied, then I have 1 here. So what am I trying to say is that, for instance, if I have A, B, C here, any of the 3 will occupy. Let's say A has occupied this place, it will be left with B, C. So I'm having 2 of these. So when one of them has occupied, let's say B has occupied, then I have C as 1 weight. This is 3 weights. This is 2 weights, and this is 1 weight. So we have 3 weights times 2 weights times 1 weight, which is same as 6 weights of arrangement. So what I have here now is the fundamental idea of permutation. And the formula for permutation, like for these 3 objects, A, B, C, total number of the objects is 3. So I'm permutating one of them each. So we have it as I'm permutating the 3, sorry. We have it as a 3 permutation 3. I'm taking 3 objects at a time because the whole of the 3 are being taken at a time here, which is a 6 factorial. No, sorry, 6 ways. 6 ways of arrangement. Now, generally, when I have total number of n objects and I'm picking r objects at a time, the formula for permutation is total number of the objects factorial all over that number of the object minus the one I'm picking minus r factorial. So, like for instance, if I'm picking out of these 3 objects, I'm picking 1 object at a time. I will write it as 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 1 factorial, which is 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 factorial means 2 times 1. So that means I'm going to have 3 ways if I'm picking 1 object at a time. If I'm picking 2 objects at a time, I'll write that 3 permutation 2, which is 3 factorial all over 3 minus 2 factorial. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 factorial is 1. So 3 factorial, like I've calculated here, is 6. So here now, 3 minus 2, that's 1. 1 factorial is 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6 ways. But if I'm permutating the 3, I've already done that here. So the formula for permutation, can be written as n permutation r, or can also be written as p. Can put this total number, then picking r at a time. So this is the fundamental idea of permutation. Thank you. My next video will be on combination.